Malik Shami, and very good morning. So today I heard there is a Lamborghini Owners Club gathering today, so we'll be heading there today on this very beautiful Sunday. So in today's Lamborghini gathering, I'm actually expecting about 30 cars today. I mean, from information given by some of the Lamborghini owners that I know, which is surprisingly quite a lot this time, because Lamborghini Club gatherings has only been about, like, you know, if there was any gathering, there was only about, I'd say, maximum of 20 cars. Even there was a drive, probably 10 to 20 cars. So for 30 cars to show up, I think that's quite a lot this time, so you must check it out. And also in today's gathering, I'm expecting to see the Lamborghini Gallardo Squadra Corse, because that car has been out for a very long time. I think the last time I saw that car was in 2015. It's only one in Malaysia, and there's only 50 units worldwide. And I think there will be some Murcielago SVs. There's an Aventador SV that just got registered recently, and I'm hoping to see that one as well. So yeah. Alright, we have arrived at the Pavilion KL. So Lamborghini Club is going to be gathering here, but they will be gathering at the fountain area instead of the valet, because if they're going to park the valet, then it's going to be very full. Right, we'll get into the basement first, and we'll go to the Lambos. So the Lamborghinis are going to be parking here, if I'm not mistaken, at the fountain area. Now it's currently empty. I think it's going to be crowded later. I'm not sure crowded with cars or crowded with humans. And here now we have Daniel Anwar.
Hi.
What's your IG?
Daniel Anwar.
Okay. And right there we have a 600 LP right there, over there. Let's go there. Kita nak ke mana ni? Oh, tu. Oh. Wow. Okay, so that's a 600 LP with a bunch of spotters. Yeah, gotta get that shot. Nice spot. Right, I can hear them arriving. Right. Arriving. Okay. Cool. First time we are seeing this, two Valentino Balboni together. LP550 Valentino Balboni, only 250 units worldwide. This one is wrapped, but it's actually a real Valentino Balboni as well. here we have random. So let's do a quick walk around. There's so many cars here. We'll start with my favorite, Gallardo LP550, Gallardo LP550-2 Valentino Balboni, Huracan LP610, Huracan, Gallardo LP560, Huracan, Aventador, Gallardo Spider, first gen 5.0 V10, sweet V10, Urus. So we got two Urus right here. There's another one here. Aventador SV. Oh, for sale. Okay. Aventador ITV exhaust. Huracan with the Boss Final kit. Very nice. Carbon fiber. Huracan Avio. Rainbow Gallardo. Huracan Diablo. Gallardo Comandante. Fancy wrap on the Comandante. Okay, there's so many people. Another Comandante. Murcielago. Squadra Corse. Gallardo. Comandante MLE. So this is a Gallardo Squadra Corse, one of 50 worldwide, and there's only one over here. Right there. Squadra Corse Series Special. So Lamborghini Malaysia decided to do a Malaysia limited edition. What's special about it? It has the Superleggera front bumper. Front bumper with the MLE patch down there. Matte black rims and matte black side mirrors. Limited edition out of 20. Right there.
Begini kan special dia?
Bising lah special ni, aduh. Ha? Ni tak suka special lah. Ni tak suka special.
Tak tanya. Like car hunters kena tanya.
Aduh. Banyak Lambo ni kau nak special lagi.
Okay lah.
And this one right here is the Gallardo LP550 Valentino Balboni. Edizione limitata. So what's special about this one? That's the Valentino Balboni stripe. First gen Superleggera rim. Very nice, I like. And white stripes in the interior. And white center console. So it's cream, I think. Yeah. So we have quite a few special edition Lamborghinis right here. So here, Aventador SV, one of 600. And here we have Aventador SV. Alright, I think we're done here.
Yep,
There's
bye.
Too many people.
See you guys.
There's too many people, right?
There's too many people.
Yeah, come, let's go. Oh, we got two Urus here, both in yellow. I think that's already 4 yellow Urus today. So, welcome to Publika, and we see ourselves yellow Lambo. Another Lambo is a Huracan LP610, and we have an Alfa Romeo. Wait, I forgot what is this. GT something. R8 V8 facelift of the old version. Nice. The GTR 35, and we have another R8 V8, a Mini, cool, S2000. Right, second trip to Publika, and we have one cool looking Rolls Royce with an aftermarket rim, BC forged. Nice. RX-7 and a Aventador. Oh, okay. So an LP700 with a kit. Nice, cool. Oh, this is cool. A red with a BC forged rims. Nice. We have a Aventador. So we have an RX-7, Aventador, and a MyBeam casual. So let's check out this RX-7. Kinda cool. I don't know what this is. Wow, the steering is like that. What the hell? Okay, cool. I don't know what kit is this on. Do let me know in the comments below. What is this? So here we have an Aventador with an SV body kit. And how do I know? You look here. This part here should be aligned with this. So this part, it should go up like that, not straight. Yep, that's how you tell. Oh, and this one is an ultra-foveated exhaust. Right here, we have a sleeper spec E63 6.2 V8 sleeper spec. And what do I mean by sleeper spec? Well, first thing you notice, the rims looks like it came out of some E-Class AMG Sport package with the 5-spoke rims. But how do I know if it's a real E63? First thing you notice, there's a there's this thing right here. It angles about a bit, and then the brakes, are huge. Look at the back as well. Ooh, 488 Dawn. Ooh, Spider. Urus. Ooh. Oh, 430.